Alright guys, let's talk about the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 or Pro. It's a bit bigger and heavier, but don't worry, it's got that awesome Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Check out the Honor X50i Plus. It's sleek, lightweight, and has the SGS 5-star anti-fall certification. Perfect for those clumsy moments when you drop your phone. Xiaomi's OLED dances at 120 Hz, while Honor elegantly AMOLEDs at 90 Hz. Xiaomi's Canvas, 6.67 inches. Honor's sleek, 6.7 inches. Screen-to-body ratio? Xiaomi, almost 90%. Honor, nearly 94%. Rockin' pixels, 1080 by 2400, just like a movie. Xiaomi and Honor have super sharp visuals with densities around 395 and 394 ppi. Alright, folks. We've got two phones here, both running Android 13. But wait, Xiaomi comes in hot with MIUI 14, while Honor brings the heat with Magic OS 7.2. Both phones have the same brainpower under the hood MediaTek Dimensity 6080. Phones got Mali G57 MC2. Hey gamers, time to pick your wizard. Wow, they've got a whopping 12 GB of RAM. Wait, there's more. Both devices have an extra 8 GB of virtual RAM, making multitasking super smooth. Xiaomi's got a whopping 256 GB of storage. Honor now has 256 GB or a massive 512 GB. But hey, these guys don't play cards. Sorry, no extra storage, folks. Lights, camera, action. Xiaomi and Honor both have a 108MP main camera and a 2MP depth sensor, but Honor has a slightly wider aperture to stand out. Hey guys, if you're into selfies, Xiaomi has a 16MP front camera and Honor has an 8MP one. Size doesn't matter, it's all about the pixels, or so they say. Hey, pay attention. Xiaomi, we love our loudspeaker and the classic 3.5mm jack. Honor, we're going wireless, baby. No more jack for us. Who needs wires? Not me. Xiaomi and Honor are close rivals, but Honor has aptX HD in its Bluetooth. Confused? Nope, not these phones. Both have all the fancy positioning systems, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and BDS. Xiaomi adds NFC for easy-peasy tap-and-go transactions. Honor's a no-show. They both use the fancy USB Type-C 2.0 plug. So many sensors. Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 or Pro and Honor X50i Plus have all the sensors you need. Face unlock and side-mounted fingerprint scanner for fast and secure access. Other sensors track your moves for awesome gaming and AR fun. Proximity and compass sensors make life easier in the digital jungle. Xiaomi's battery is a beast with 5,000 mAh, so you'll never be powerless. Honor brings a big 4,500 mAh to the party. Xiaomi's got your back with super speedy 33W wired charging. Honor goes turbo with 35W wired fast charging. Xiaomi shows off its endurance in all situations. Honor's endurance, a big secret. Xiaomi keeps it simple with classic colors, black, blue, and gold. Honor adds personality with colorful options, pink, black, green, and blue. And now, the price. Tada! Xiaomi's fancy 256 12GB phone is $282, while Honor's version is a steal at $225. Honor's 512 12GB? Fancy! Just $254. Boom! Digi Duelers, rejoice! Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 or Pro versus Honor X50i Plus. Who will be the ruler of your tiny kingdom? Comment below, like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more epic duels on DigiDuelers. Stay digital, catch you on the digital flip side.